Welcome to the Gnarbox 2.0 SSD review. Today I want to show you what's inside the box, how fast the Gnarbox actually is compared to a MacBook Pro, and at the end I want to show you what kind of presets I'm gonna use in the future to enhance the workflow with the Gnarbox. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Gnarbox. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Let's see what's in the package. So here we have a small comment from Gnarbox: let your work flow. I hope they're gonna live up to their promises. In the package, first of all, we have the Gnarbox itself. It comes with a removable battery, so you can buy additional batteries if you need. Additionally, we have a SD card adapter. It's an adapter from micro SD to a regular SD card. Below we have the user manual. The user manual comes with some Gnarbox stickers. And below that we have the Gnarbox charger, which is a nice one because it comes with a USB-B socket and a USB-C socket. And besides that, we have some international plugs for your travels. And last but not least, a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the Gnarbox with your PC or MacBook. That's what's in the package, and in the next chapter we're gonna do a speed test comparison. Alright, let's get started with the speed test. For the test itself, I have shot a time lapse with my Sony camera, including 600 pictures in the JPEG format and 600 pictures in the RAW format. That sums up to a total of 37.2 gigabyte. And now I'm gonna back up all this footage on the Gnarbox. So first of all, put in the SD card. Then go to backup now, and let's get started and see how long the Gnarbox needs to back it up. Alright, that took quite a bit, 11 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's see how long it's gonna take with the MacBook. Alright, I'm back at the MacBook, and now we're gonna back up all the footage we just have backed up to the Gnarbox to the MacBook Pro. I've already inserted the SD card, as you can see, and now we're gonna measure the time, how long it's gonna take. Let's get started. Alright, first let's create a folder, call it footage. I'm gonna open that folder and I'm gonna open the SD card, locate my pictures. Here they are, and now I'm gonna drag and drop them into the footage folder. Alright, after we have copied everything, we go back into the footage folder, and now we need to split the data between JPEG and the RAW files. So let's get all the JPEGs. And let's move them into the JPEG folder. And also the RAW files. Move them into a separate folder. And that's it. 7 minutes and 36 seconds. The Gnarbox lost by quite a bit, but of course it's way more comfortable using the Gnarbox to back up all of your footage. Last but not least, I want to show you the presets I have configured for my Gnarbox to enhance the workflow I currently have even more. So let's jump right into it. You're gonna need to start up your Gnarbox SafeKeep app and connect your app with your Gnarbox via Wi-Fi. Then you jump right into the presets, and here you can see the presets I have configured for the different cameras I have. For the Insta360, the GoPro, my Mavic 2 Pro, and the Sony camera I use. And to give you a little insight how I'm gonna manage all the footage that's coming in, I'm gonna go into the preset for the Sony and I'm gonna modify it. So here you can see I have set up the preset. So every time I'm gonna import footage from my Sony, the Gnarbox is gonna create a folder for the current date, and within that folder it's gonna create a folder called Sony Alpha 7. That makes it easier for me when I'm gonna access the footage on my MacBook, because for every shooting day I'm gonna have a folder by date, and within that folder I'm gonna have a folder for each and every camera I used during that shoot. I think this is very helpful to organize the footage on the Gnarbox. And that's it for today, and I hope you liked that video, and if so, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content, subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna hear us in the future. Thanks!